Hey there, so I'm going to show you how to play the game called Flash Notation, Flash Notes in the Theta Music Trainer app, which can be downloaded from self-service. So open up the app and it will take you to this page. If you know that you are enrolled as a student under me as your teacher, then you would use your login. But for this assignment, you most likely are just going to do the free version. Do not create an account. And when you scroll through the games, you'll come to tonality, and down here towards the bottom is something called Flash Notation Notes, and that is the game you're going to play. So when you begin the game, you're going to want to make sure that you choose the default, which is treble clef, and that's what you're going to be using. So here I am starting on level 1. I know that that's an F. My spaces start with F-A-C-E and the lines are every, so that first line is going to be an E. Every good boy does fine. Back to an F, E. This note comes prior to E, below E, so it's going to be the D. Do you see how C, D, and E are in a row? And the lowest note is your C. This is a C again, and a D. At the top, you see some blue dots that are filling in. That's kind of a timer because you do have to answer the question within a few seconds. So I've cleared that level, and now you see I have a score. Your assignment is to work all the way up to level 3, so you should have a score for level 1, level 2, and level 3. When you've done that, I'm going to skip ahead so I can show you how to turn the assignment in. You would take a screenshot of this and then open up Google Classroom. Find the assignment. It is called Flash Notation in TMT. TMT stands for Theta Music Trainer. Select the arrow at the bottom of your screen, and that allows you then to add an attachment. So I would select Add an Attachment, pick a photo, and I'm going to choose my screenshot. Takes a second for it to pop in, so give it some time, be patient. There it is, and then don't forget to turn in the assignment, and then I will know that you completed the Flash Notation up to level 3 assignment. Good luck.